Life is really simple, but we insist on making it complicated. Hello mga Mars! Welcome back again sa aking garden. And for today's video, we're going to feature a sedum family of succulents known as Sedum dasypilum or lilac mount. This plant is a succulent ground cover known for its small, bead-like leaves that can blush a soft lilac pink color in sunlight. It is a member of the Crassulaceae family. It is a low-maintenance, hardy plant that is drought-tolerant. And it is a very beautiful succulent or a ground cover for gardens and baskets.